punches, no? Kasama agad sa starting five itong si John Carl Canapi, the guy that we will be focusing our attention on in terms of May Kawayan. At para naman sa kabilang panig, Nas Humadi played a solid.
And let's see, partner, if this is gonna be like the 18 and under division, no? When where May Kawayan Bamboo Archer just wanted to run and meanwhile Humadi misses a layup and straight to the cup. Ooh, again, Coach Melo, no, itong ring na to, may mga ang daming point blank na hindi pumapasok.
Ayun na naman.
And finally, a bucket is converted there by Miguel Ulep. Ang daming tutok na hindi pumapasok. Now May Kawayan trying to cut this lead down and erase that lead altogether with that.
Nila naman, after a strong start, medyo nag-slow down here at the half of the first quarter.
Humadi 4-3. That is money.
Narinig ako ni Nas. Sabi niya,
Coach naman eh. Parang hindi mo kilala, sabi niya. At yun nga.
Bench, the whole Manila team, talagang supporting one another.
Meanwhile, Canapi with the putback. Oh, check that. That was Malupay.
Same style of play. Even haircut, halos identical.
Yun nga eh. And it's like an as they are up by 6, 14-8. 3 minutes remaining in the first. Oh! Foul counted from beyond the arc. Brought to you, of course, as we take a look at it again. Nas Umali converting with
room to go for that shot. Ang pinakamasakit doon, committing that mortal sin of fouling a jump.
3 is up, but out, and another offensive rebound. Pelayo, iba nang matangkad, towering over it. Back.
And Pelayo just getting that basketball from up top. Ala Jimenez yung ginawa niya doon eh.
Yes.
May Kawayan right now. No, ayaw mo na maulit yung nangyari doon sa 18 and under. You wanna avenge your kuyas. But Manila just...
As we take a look at the replay, May Kawayan with that beautiful drive there, and yung isang tres pa ni Nas Humadi was actually a 4-point play.
Totoo yan. And Manila right there, hindi nila pinayagan na maging factor si John Carl Canapi.
So, as we take a look at this again, Baldomido, good hard drive, plus dalawang isip ka bago ako milos. And there it is again. This time the steal is completed as well as the fast break. Of stifling defense there by Manila. Meanwhile, baseline J was converted by Flores.
On their lineup, can this team hold on and get their first victory? What do you think, Eman and Coach Melo?
Thank you very much, Daphne. And that time,
well, that's true. No? So far, itong si Malupay not having any problems with executing it.
They are not making it easy for May Kawayan to execute, and this time, yung mga offensive rebounds naman falling to the hands of May Kawayan. Oh, what a move, and a bucket right there. Baldomino.
Watching a 16 and under game, yung mga ganung galaw, pang pro na yun eh.
I'll take a look at this last play by Malupay. What a drive there. Nilusutan, dalawang.
They're playing, kumbaga, more fluid offense. Eh, dito ngayon, kailangan niya mag-create for himself.
Oh, okay. And they have upped this lead back up to 12. 1 minute remaining. Oh, finding himself all alone underneath there. Right. Is it a steal? No, recovered by May Kawayan. 10 to shoot now. Oh, an alley-oop play. Pinpoint pass by Canapi.
And the rest of May Kawayan, he knew that the pressure was up top. Kaya naman alam niyang walang drop-down coverage.
And here is again Canapi getting the bucket. Now he is getting himself going, and that was...
Para dito sa Mindoro, May Kawayan rather, they were able to bring this lead down to just 6.
And I'm sure Coach Steven Saruma is happy as we saw the line by Kanapi there, and that strong drive. That meanwhile, a three is on the way. That is short. Oh, picked up by number 23. That's Yun nga. That is true. Although yung beauty, I'm still thinking kung saan. Well, I guess if you want...
We've been saying this time and again, talagang kailangan i-box out itong Manila.
And what a shot there. Pull up by Nas-Humadi. Batista able to force a turnover there.
That was a tough shot from Nas-Humadi. Barely.
The Bamboo Archers are running. The layup is money for Evaristo.
Lumusot yung playing individual defense.
Oh, yes.
And he expects the same from his players and he wants to inculcate in them yung ganong sistema. But yung mga ganong play, hindi mag...
Look at this. Nas-Humadi with a pound for pound and one. At Maytown Fitness was against three defenders taller than him. Oh, what a play! And that time, Kanapi finding Evaristo. Good for Manila. They got an offensive rebound again. What a play. The drive and draw. Classic. Fundamental.
In action. Forcing the defense to rotate on the weak side.
Yes.
Kaya nalibre yung ilalim.
Meanwhile, Midi is good for Evaristo. Now, Evaristo.
Kapit ako sa tuhod ko.
Right. And, oh yeah, tama. Masakit sa tuhod yun. Ooh. Wow, Malupay. Same, what a move by Malupay.
And Malupay is a highlight creator.
Right.
Grabe. Let's take a look at this move once again. Malupay driving, changing hands in midair and just using enough English to finish that.
Strong. Nag-try magkalawit rebound. Buti lang sa kakampi niya. Bumagsak. Kanapi. Early release. And the bucket for Kanapi.
And that was the pick.
For Maykawayan and a chance for them to cut this lead further. Kanapi. Not that time. Oh, spinning shot. And another buzzer beater. That time courtesy of Joe James de los Santos.
Look at that.
There it is. Diba? Meron siyang parang chine-check sa kanyang legs, no? I wonder if he is all right now. Hopefully he is. And what a play. High-low play.
Basketball motion pero lumanding talaga doon sa dibdib.
Parang inabot din yung papa. Meanwhile, another point there for Manila and another rally-oop for Gatchalian.
Commanding lead that they have.
Another steal here, and here is Nas, again, casually, leisurely, getting a bucket for Manila.
Sabi ni Nas, rather, but yun nga, talagang yung gigil andun pa rin eh.
Right. I'm sure eventually as the tournament goes on, itong mga...
Gigil sa kabila, ito naman, smooth para dito kay Pelayo.
Meanwhile, here is Nas once again, eluding three defenders. And again, he was left all alone there.
John
Kanapi knocking down the midi. Coach, no? I guess the pass was 2 dribbles too late.
And what could have been a two-pointer for Maykawayan as of time before he translates that to his team.
John Kanapi.
Meanwhile, John Kanapi. Awkward landing there. Was that Sanchez? Meanwhile, Kanapi getting the bucket.
John Carl Kanapi leads the break and finishes strong to the hoop. Specialty of the house para kay John Carl.
He was pulled out right now, and I think he's all right. Meanwhile, that is so all right for Maykawayan as John Kanapi
to bring this lead down to just 2 possessions.
Oh, Malupay, what a spin, taking it all the way to the hole. Then, no?
Oh.
55 seconds remaining. The jumper was pure by Nas-Humadi. Sabay ngiti ko. Maykawayan Bamboo Archers kanina eh.
Totoo yan.
Pasok na, lumalabas pa.
Look at that. The unselfishness. You get back and to redeem themselves from that opening loss.
And as the final buzzer sounds, Manila held forward with Doc Atoy. Manila City.